Procedural versus object-oriented programming, an introduction.
Procedural programming and object-oriented programming are two major styles of coding. Understanding their differences can help beginners choose the best starting point. Procedural programming focuses on writing step-by-step instructions, while object-oriented programming organizes code into reusable objects. Both have unique benefits, and learning one can build a foundation for the other.
What is procedural programming?
Procedural programming involves writing sequences of instructions that tell the computer exactly what to do, step by step. Popular languages like C and early Python tutorials often use this approach. Functions are created to perform tasks, and data is usually separate from the code. This style tends to be straightforward and easy to follow, making it accessible for those new to programming.
Object-oriented programming explained.
Object-oriented programming organizes code into objects that bundle data with the actions you can perform on that data. Languages like Java, C++, and Python support this style. Each object has properties and behaviors, making it easier to model real-world problems. OOP encourages code reuse and can lead to cleaner, more manageable programs as projects grow larger.
Which style is easier for beginners?
Many beginners find procedural programming easier at first because it focuses on clear, linear steps, much like following a recipe. You learn essential basics like variables, loops, and functions. Object-oriented programming introduces more complex concepts like classes and inheritance, which may feel overwhelming at the start, but offer powerful ways to structure projects as skills develop.
Choosing the right path for learning.
If you're just starting out, procedural programming is often recommended because it builds strong problem-solving foundations. As confidence grows, transitioning to object-oriented programming will expand your abilities and open doors to larger projects. Ultimately, understanding both styles is valuable, and the best path is to begin simple and progress at your own pace.